Hey guys, welcome back again to Pistify. And this video will be all about comprehend. In my last video, we covered text extract, and this is just a more to it. This is the NLP and the text analysis services where you use it as the machine learning solution to find insights and relationships in text, as it says here. So, any sentiment analysis you would like to do, any entities you would like to detect out of your extracted information using textract, you can go up to next level. You can implement the comprehend along with the textract. That would give you the solid result. So I'll show you how it works. Suppose if I have the content here, let me copy this. I have written it out, and this is the get start uh, real-time analysis I'm going to do. So suppose you have extracted any information that is nothing but this particular paragraph. You have got it in from the extract, or you have, if you like to use it as a standalone service, you can do it. So I have chosen the analysis type as built in here. You can customize it any point of time if you have the endpoints created. In order to do so, you'll have to first create these fields. You would make the utilization of these custom classifications, entity recognition, or endpoints. However, this is just a simple or high level overview of comprehend how it works. So this is the paragraph that I have. This is the quite sufficient information. I would like to show you how it works. So this says hello Bistify credit account. This has a minimum number payment 24.53 that is due by September 30th. Based on your order settings, we'll withdraw this account. Blah 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 blah. Customer feedback for Bistify uh, justify. There is a spelling mistake here. Build exclusive notification, send comments to this email address. I enjoy. This is the feedback that I have got from one of the users. You can say I enjoyed watching demo videos. It was very deep dive and wordful, and the practical topics were awesome. And the learning through it is a great experience. So I am going to analyze how what are the entities it has. So let's do it like this: analyze and see if I like to get the entities. We have the Bistify labeled as the organization or the type, and the confidence it shows is 19.99 plus. That's really great. And then we have the account number, we have the amount due. So these are the like major information extracted out of it, and it can go this could have been done through text extract, but why comprehend? Because it can do other things as well, like you have the key phrases here, right? Specific credit card account. This is the key phrase you would like to get this extracted out of this paragraph. You can do it, right? Other than that, the language, what it has. So it is using English as a language, uh, and if we go to the personally identifiable information analysis mode, it shows the result as entity, this is this, and bank account number, and so on. And moving further to sentiment, like I showed you, it will show you the demo videos, deep dive, worthful. These are the some keywords awesome that uh, helps comprehend to analyze the sentiments how it is. So suppose you have purchased anything from the website and you post the review in, for that particular product. So you use the word like, if you are disappointed, you use disappoint, frustrate. That would give you the negative analysis from the AI perspective. So here everything is being used as this neutral, 0.17% confidence, this is positive, and this is negative, zero confidence, and this is mixed. So this has done quite a few analysis based on this extracted information. And targeted sentiment, it has picked up the targeted sentiment is this: what is the credit account number, neutral. It can go up to detailed information on the sentiments. These are the neutral ones. And if I go into the next page, so this is this videos, another, this says positive. So demo videos, I enjoy demo videos, right? So this is this counted as the positive thing. So that's the great part. That's the thing why we use comprehend. And now how we can make a utilization of when it comes to implementing it from the organization perspective, I'll surely try to cover it up in my next demo video as an example. So all my enterprise level videos are just based on the examples. It is not really the live or the hands-on, but from enterprise level, how it works, because you cannot simply go ahead and paste the paragraph and do it like that. You use other AWS services to automate the entire process or the workflow. I'll cover it soon and wish you good luck. Enjoy the next video. Stay tuned.